to confirm that the Fijian Elections Office has concluded the pre-polling for the 2022 general election. Effectively, ladies and gentlemen, we are now 3 days away from the 2022 general election, and as you can see, the pre-polling has happened. We are thankful to the Almighty for blessing us with good weather, with minimal disruptions. There was some heavy rain, flooding. We had that on our Facebook page, but generally all pre-polling happened without any major incident. Ladies and gentlemen, I will be giving you preliminary figures today. Preliminary because the actual figures are recorded in the temper evident envelopes. Sorry, they are recorded in the presiding officer's record books, which are currently in temper evident envelopes and will only be opened after the counting process begins on 14th of December. This is statistics that is provided to us by the presiding officers. Ladies and gentlemen, after wrapping up pre-poll, we can tell you that the turnout for pre-poll with preliminary figures is 69.63%. So we haven't reached the 70% mark. 54,244 voters have turned out out of the 77,907 voters registered for pre-poll. All 613 pre-polling venues have completed, and based on this, ladies and gentlemen, we can tell you that we will be ready to start counting on 14th of December. Ladies and gentlemen, by tomorrow afternoon, the Fijian Elections Office will complete will be bringing all of our pre-polling materials to the Central Processing Center, which is outside of Vodafone Arena, and you will expect a lot of police presence in that area because sensitive materials will be placed there under police guard in sealed containers with the locks and seals, as I have shown you already at the warehouse. So, ladies and gentlemen, it's not very good news, not even 70% in pre-poll. So we have a lot of work to do for election day. There are 606,092 voters registered to vote on election day, and at least 500,000 voters should be our minimum mark on that day. So, ladies and gentlemen, with campaign due to close shortly, we will be giving you a full explanation of the campaign restrictions and the media blackout in tomorrow's 4 p.m. press event and the live crossover. And we have already published in today's newspaper the laws around the media restrictions and campaign restrictions that will commence at midnight on Sunday. That is tomorrow, the night before Monday, not midnight tonight, the night before Monday. It will be commencing at midnight, and those laws will be in effect. I would like to just give a forewarning to all candidates. If you have distributed your materials out, like posters and banners and stickers on cars and stickers on shop windows and stickers wherever you go, if you have got stickers hanging from poles, you need to start looking at who has it, who has control of it, because they all need to come down. If there are stickers that are not taken out from cars because the owner didn't take it out, the party is also responsible. The candidate is also responsible, and we will not hesitate to refer these matters to FICAC because it is critical time just before the election, and we cannot afford to let breaches continue unnoticed. So that's just for Monday, but just letting everybody know. The best thing is that the enforcement part of this will be done by the FEO, but the monitoring part of this will be done by the general public in Fiji. People very quickly are able to send us pictures of breaches on Facebook, social media. Some have even gone to the extent of employing fake accounts to send us these breaches, which helps us very quickly because we know the location and we are able to go and initiate our necessary actions. So, ladies and gentlemen, that is the concluding remark for pre-poll. The turnout is not above 70%, and this calls for a lot of action to enhance turnout on election day.